Today we're going to draw a simple diamond. It's an eye-catching doodle that pops with energy and shine. So I started with a post-it pad and I drew that little triangle to show you. I'm going to turn it so I have a right angle to make the point of the diamond. So I didn't measure to make sure both sides are exactly the same, but you can see that's what we're roughly doing. So we get that right angle, and I sketch that in pencil, and then I'm going to go ahead into a kind of thicker marker to go right on those pencil lines. And now I'm going to connect the top so it was like you had a V, that was the right angle, and then a straight horizontal line across the top. And now I'm making a parallel line, but stops short of the triangle underneath, and then I connect the corners. And now I'm trying to show you that I'm looking at the point of the diamond, and I want to go to the center at the top, and I've switched to a thinner pen. So I'm going to make a triangle in that top portion, the thinner portion, in the center of the diamond, and then I'm going to connect down to the point. And now all I do is I connect where that triangle ended into the top corners. And just to give it a little uniqueness, I do one line with a dot, and now I'm going to do one line with two dots across those top three triangles. And then I'm going to do something similar. It's a parallel thin line with one dot. Then I'm going to go up from the bottom and do a parallel line with two little dash or dots. And then I'm starting at the top, parallel line with three. So there's just the very, very simple diamond that you're used to seeing. And then I put some little sparkles on it by just creating some diamonds that are like, have a little curve to them. And then I added in a loop with a heart, right? Signifying this is symbolizing something wonderful, with some little plus signs as sparkles. And then it's just going to be radiating out some energy. So I'm doing them as a longer line and then some little dashes and then some single lines to vary it. But you can really add whatever type of little sparkles that you want around it to customize your own way. If you enjoyed drawing with me today, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.